So I guess when I said Ziggy, she heard Zeke because that's the way she spelled it. This is the first time in years that somebody else has done my laundry. It ran me just over $4 for all this work. So let's see how it looks. Alright, we got socks. Stuff is packed in there. Let's do it this way. I didn't want to rip the bag because I want to use it for my dirty laundry. Alright. There's my short pants. Three pairs of long pants. We have, didn't get the stains out. Dang it. I was hoping she would get these stains out, but she was not successful. Ah, dang, there's a stain there too. That's what I get for being fat, I guess. Okay, so there's 3 of these shirts. And here is my Team Lone Star shirt. Another polo and another stain. Dang it, I was hoping she would get the stains out. And another polo. And then we have my little hoodie t-shirt. We have my Team Lone Star hoodie. And it had some stuff on the sleeve. And it looks like that came out. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Alright. Next we have drawers, but she didn't fold my drawers. What the heck, man? Alright, there's my washcloth. My disc golf cloth with the wrong team name on it. Face towel, microfiber from the unit, and my bath towel. I'm disappointed about the stains, but I mean, I had already washed all of those shirts. I think had already been washed with stains on them, so I guess there was just no getting the stains out. Okay, that's all for this segment. Alright, it's time to see what this sausage tastes like. Well, I can't believe I did that again, but what I did was I hit the start recording thing at the wrong time. So anyhow, I'll try to double up if I can get another one out of here. Okay, so for the most part, it looks and feels like a Vienna. It doesn't exactly taste like your Armour or Libby's, but it has a texture like my old favorite, which was Redbird. And I can't find Redbird anymore, so I guess they went out of business or something. Not bad. I didn't realize it was Saturday until I went to pick up my laundry. But now I'm certain it's Saturday, and I'm pretty sure somebody just got married. Got some of my Amazon order today delivered by Ninja on a scooter, and it's a bad weather day, and that's the reason I'm not playing disc golf right now. All right, I'm taking the chance of filming this on my phone because this is the Amazon delivery vehicle that just brought my packages to me. Oh well, it's different, huh? But maybe tomorrow, because when I ran into June, he told me about Silang. It's just about 5 kilometers further, so I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So now it's time to open up these packages and see what's in them. I'm glad they protected it because it is raining today, and it was delivered on a motorbike. So he didn't have a lot of place on his bike to protect things. So I guess the delivery center must have wrapped it up like this to protect it. Okay. There goes the saran wrap. Yes, I've been waiting for this. So now I can be at least a little bit healthier with my coffee. And this is a case for the camera and all its accessories. And from the looks, it looked like it's the perfect thing to hold the camera and all of the accessories. And here, shorts. Okay, so the shorts I'm wearing, I like them a lot. They feel good. I like the material. So I ordered 3 more in the other colors and another pair of black. I've got the black on. So looks like I have another black here. No, and a dark gray. Oh, these are regular lounging shorts, yeah. And then the gray and the blue are the shorts like what I have on now, like for going to play some disc golf. But yeah, a gray and a black of just lounging around the room shorts. Yeah, I'm happy now. I do have some more stuff coming though. I forgot what. I'll have to look it up. So that's what I got for now.